The stock market is not as complicated as you think. It is basically just a market. Welcome to day 6 of Making Finance Simple, one topic at a time. In the past days, we've talked about investing in shares, how shares are created, how you can earn from shares, and other important details. But where can you actually buy these shares? Where are they sold? This is where the stock market comes in. And in this video, I'll be explaining to you what the stock market is and how it actually works in simple terms, because this is Make Finance Simple. So the stock market is an actual market, and just like every other market, there are buyers, there are sellers, and there are goods to be sold. And in the stock market, the buyers and sellers are investors like you and I, and the goods to be sold are usually stocks or other tradable securities. And each region or each country has its own marketplace, and this specific marketplace in each region is what we call the stock exchange. For example, we have the London Stock Exchange for the UK, the New York Stock Exchange, the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the Tokyo Stock Exchange, and so on. So think of the stock market as the global ecosystem for stock trading, and then the stock exchange as the specific marketplace for each of the regions. And how does this market work? Just like every regular market, when you are buying a product, you have to be buying it from someone who already owns the product. You pay them the money and they give you the product. And when you are selling a product, you have to have owned that product and give it to someone who has money and wants to buy that product. And because there are different buyers and sellers of the same products, the prices of the products will be influenced by the activities of these buyers and sellers. What do I mean? So let's say you want to buy Coca-Cola shares from the stock market. You wouldn't be buying from Coca-Cola company because they are not selling shares. You'll be buying from someone who already owns Coca-Cola shares and wants to sell them. And in return, when you want to sell Coca-Cola shares, you will not be selling back to Coca-Cola. You'll be selling to someone who has money and wants to buy Coca-Cola shares. That is how every trade works. Someone has money and wants a product, and someone who has a product and needs money make an exchange and a sale is made. As a seller in the stock market, you can place a price on the product you want to sell, which is the Coca-Cola shares. So you can decide what price you want to sell these Coca-Cola shares. And most times as a seller, you prefer to sell at a higher price, right? Also, as a buyer, you can determine what price is affordable or best for this product you want to buy. And most times you want to buy at a lower price. So because of these different price views from the buyers and the sellers, when there are more people who want to buy a share, it causes the price of the share to go up. And when there are more people who want to sell that share, it causes the price of the shares to fall. So essentially, the stock market, just like every other market, obeys the law of demand and supply. And that's why it's important for you to choose the right time to either buy or sell so that you can get the best price possible in the market. And the next question you have is, how do I gain access to this stock market? How do I travel all the way to London just to buy a share from the London Stock Exchange? For the sake of keeping this video short, you can gain access through a broker. And the good thing is that most of them now operate online, so you don't need to visit a physical business or a physical office for you to trade your shares. So if you are in the UK, you can use online platforms like Trading 212, AJ Bell, Free Trade, Revolut, and so on. And if you're in Nigeria, you can use platforms like AfriInvest, Invest Niger, Cowrywise, and so on. It's for day 6 of Making Finance Simple, one topic at a time. Don't forget to follow and like this video so you don't get left out. Share this video to anyone who will find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.